making a beam antenna in a dadgum attic out of wire, and of course you could make a beam out of speaker wire. Just got to get the spacing right and load the thing right, and bam.
That's right.
You got a beam.
That's right. You do have a beam. Yeah. He's talking about Lucy. Take that antenna he's just talking about and tape it to a PVC skeleton, and you got Lucy. Don't mind me, boys, but I've got a video transcoding right now that's certainly going to generate some dislikes, but as probably will this. You know what, man? For all you noob amateurs, and I don't mean CW noobs, man. You know what, man? I have a big, loving heart, and I get quite emotional. I kind of am right now, and I don't know why exactly. Yes, I do know why, because when I think about some of you fellows learning CW and starting out and bravely tackling your first QSO, oh my God, oh my God. Woo, that makes my hair stand up, man. Anyway, I want to pause this and set that paper up. Hang on. I have to beg. I have to beg of you something of you, you newer hams. Hang on. Okay. Man. And it really doesn't matter if you're operating CW. I'll be normal. If you're operating CW or phone. Oh, I beg of you, if you're a newer ham, and I guess I wrote this down thinking of the newer CW operators out there, right? I heard this on the air the other day. You calling CQ, then I send my call, then you send my call again, and then there's dead air. You know, why is there dead air? Let's take a look at the immaculate CQ. Now that's kind of chatty. What is there, 5 of them? But that's fine. When I'm running QRP, I always call CQ 5 times like that. And I only sign my call twice, but, you know, you do what you want, man. It's a free world. But I consider that the immaculate CQ. And see the next line? That would be the immaculate response. The perfect response. You called CQ 5 times, then signed it 3 times and said, go ahead. And so I sent your call twice from my call twice and said, go ahead. And then what do I hear? N8NK. And that's it. And I sit here wondering, what the hell? You know, I had this happen, man. I had this happen. And I repaired the QSO. I salvaged the QSO, you know. And I immediately thought of some of the newer hams, especially those new fellows and women that are new to CW, you know. After I sent that, right, my call to you, you called CQ, then I threw out a call to you. And what would have been the perfect response on your part? Not to send that, but to send that. N8NK, thank you for the call. Your RST is, and then you're off and running. It's that easy. And yeah, so just a gentle, fun reminder. You know, try to stick to the convention. the calling convention, you knew CW ops. And things would go a lot smoother for everybody. I love CW. Have I ever told you that? It's been with me my whole life. I had a very kind of confusing, hard adolescence, and that's when I learned CW, and it's been with me ever since. It's been the one constant in my life. It's crazy. 73.